Hey guys, this is Kukura and today I am attempting to make salty lassi. So let's see how I do. First of all, you are supposed to put ice, but I don't like ice, so I'm going to refrain from doing that. So I'm going to start with milk. This is the Tesco milk and I think I'm doing this right. Yeah. And after that I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Guys, I couldn't be bothered getting a teaspoon, so this is what I've estimated 1.5 teaspoon should be like, but it's not. And then so guys, now I am going to put some water in. Oh god, don't know how this is going to taste. And now we need to mix. Guys, this is vile. Please don't, oh no, please don't follow this recipe for your own safety and health. It's alright, you know, but it'll do, I guess. Thank you for watching me and bye.